JakeOfALL. JakeOfALL. JakeOfALll. JakeOfALll, get your booty out here so we can do the Friday video. Look, you guys, look how cute they are. What?
What are you doing? Why do you have my phone?
We're doing the Friday video.
Oh, no.
What are you eating? Okay.
The Friday video.
Yeah.
What? Friday?
Look, StackSmarter sent us this, so I thought this would be the Friday video.
The MODbox stuff?
Yeah. I can't see what I'm doing, obviously. And then it just clicks in right and my dress is
Okay,
matching.
so I know we got the SU. I know we got our new car back.
Yeah.
6 months later.
6 months later.
And StackSmarter did send some really cool mods.
Yeah, that's super cool. So I thought that would be great to do for
But I
Friday.
already did the Friday video.
Yeah, what do you mean you already did the Friday video?
Remember when I went to Jen's?
Yeah. But we were going to do it. We're going to do it, right? Because we got the SV and we got StackSmarter stuff.
Okay, so while these are really cool, and this allows you to put anything onto a MODbox now, and then this one, you can attach MODbox to it. So like you could put this on a PACKOUT plate, right? The worktop, or you could put these in your van, and then you could click your MODboxes in. While those are really cool mods, this video is actually not going to be about PACKOUT as well. It's going to be about Jen and I going to Lowe's.
You went to Lowe's?
We looked at yellow
You
tools.
cheated on me with Lowe's?
We looked at lots of yellow tools.
Oh, yeah.
And
I'm
the
sorry.
StackTech, which, what do you guys think of the name? So I appreciate you getting dressed up, but you actually have the day off.
Well, that's fine. I'll go hang out with the boyfriend then. Bye.
All right, so we're gonna head over to the Lowe's clips. You guys have a good one. I thought you wanted to look at DeWalt.
Plants.
Okay, all right. Well, let's go see if they've got the StackTech.
You can't have too many.
Okay, or like packouts. Of course, I guess
Subjective.
we're at the wrong place for packouts, but
It's good that we're not here for packouts. There's that new display.
no. Let's go over here first. Let's go over here. Look. Okay, so I might have scouted out beforehand, and they have a lot of good stuff that's not just yellow.
Yeah, it's red. Perfect. Perfect for Milwaukee.
Is that? Oh, that's what the Milwaukee people put together.
It's a skill level. Come on.
Look at this. It's the StackTech, right? So you guys have seen the ClipTech stuff that we do for the PACKOUT rails attached to it. So ToughBuilt, right, makes this, and that's like the whole thing now, right? Everyone's going crazy about it. It's the PACKOUT killer. I might have stacked a few. Some very interesting things, some stuff that we'll definitely get into. I'm trying to get a unit, but you know, what's the expression? I got 5 kids to feed. What movie is that from? Comment below, you figure out what movie that is, and we'll send you some stickers. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, Mr. Walt's gonna grab the camera. She's gonna flip it around, and I'm gonna show you what they've got. And look at that, that's something else. So, be right back. So, you can see first of all, right, they're doing sale, and look at the price. Now, it's not obviously Christmas time yet, but it's getting there. Black Friday is gonna be coming soon. I'm guessing this is gonna show up on Black Friday. We'll talk about Flex over there for a second, but $199. And if you remember, probably pre-COVID, a PACKOUT system, you could get a 3-piece stack for $199. And when it's not on sale, it's like $289, $300. So, right, normal 3-piece stack, this guy, this guy, this guy. But what Milwaukee didn't have coming out the gate was the crate, ammo cans, we like to call them. We have Screaming Kids. Okay, handle there. We also have low profile half organizers. There's 2 of them there. They have a tech bag, a tool bag, and you gotta make sure the handle's out of the way. Right, so there's a pretty good stack. The only thing I don't have in it is this one, which this is sort of like your standard profile. So I'll go over each one really quick, but this one's a clear lid organizer style, right? So it's got your bins, and then removable, and then space that it doesn't have bins. So then your tech bag, and this is how the latch works, which is pretty interesting. It's one-handed, sort of like a pack out. I'd say there's a few differences, but I definitely will go into that into another video. But right for this bag, I guess I could go like that and one-handed, but then we can pull the bag off, handle folds out of the way. This is obviously always going to be on the top of your tech stack. These are your, we'll call them low profile. So this is interesting. It's sort of hard to show on camera because this cardboard, but you push down and then that picks up. And that's your low profile sort of half. If you were to compare it to a pack out, push down. If you notice, as I'm stacking and unstacking these, I'm not really going crazy like the flex stack was, where it was a big pain in the butt. So then I'll take an ammo can off. Now this is heavy compared to the Milwaukee one, but you saw the latch to get it out of the stack, and that's the latch for the lid. It's got dividers built into it right from the beginning, and look, right?
Okay, but time out. Is it insulated? Could I put a Busch Latte in there and would it still hold?
Well, they have a cooler. In fact, when I show you the bottom one, they've got one of those little like collect all for like Mark McGuire autograph style things. This is big. This crate has a good bit of size. Now, all of these, if you haven't noticed, have a lot of different feature looking things on them. They're not one piece like the Milwaukee one. So it's got these steel rails or aluminum with these security screws. It's got something here that's obviously housing this mechanism. But this crate is, as a couple people have posted online, is bigger than the Milwaukee one. It's probably because, you know, the DeWalt tools that you're going to put in here are so much bigger because the batteries are, you know, so much bigger. But
I mean, it's almost like they last a lot longer.
You think?
So you think I could fit maybe like 2 drills and a cat in there?
Oh, if it sits, it fits. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so here, right? We were talking about this guy. This is the little collect all poster. There you go.
Hey, it's my Busch Latte cooler.
What is this? The magnifying light. So I walked around the store and I didn't see any of the other accessories. If you guys have seen the StackTech stuff that we sell, that works on the PACKOUT, that's the tool pouches that hang. I would like to find those, but obviously we are guessing that they've already had more than Milwaukee has on the initial release. So this is the, what we would call the sort of large one. Tray is sort of universal on each side. It's got a spot for a divider. Okay. And then the bottom unit. Interesting operation. Handle removes, yeah. There's latches on the back. Take this out and put it in the bed. I don't know, it's not bad. You were talking about something, right?
The final test.
The final test.
The final test.
Here, let me try it.
Oh, you don't want to do the final test?
No,
this is my job.
This is definitely your job.
My job. All right, are you ready?
You were saying?
Are you ready? It doesn't ride up my ass like the PACKOUT does.
Well, right, because the PACKOUT has more points
10
of.
points of contact.
It's like
2.
20 for a full.
But you know, sometimes 2 is better than 10.
So we're gonna walk over here, and I want to show you a couple more things. So take a look at this, right? So I posted on Instagram about this 219 deal. It was like the little red tag marked down, but obviously, right, 309, 219, it's an $80 savings. And the joke was, or maybe the speculation was that, are they gonna keep this? Especially once this came and the MODbox is here. So now Lowe's has MODbox, this StackTech from ToughBuilt, and the Flex Stack Pack. But look, they actually, it's heavy.
It's heavy.
So drawers, we have drawers now, and we have a crate. So that is nice because everyone loves the way crates work on the ammo cans. But look what else we also have. We have a tech bag, tool bag. So a rigid handle. It's interesting shape. It's got this thing again, this latching system, which I'm not really a fan of. So the fact that they are expanding it means, at least at this point, they're not going away. And I guess they could be. I saw some stuff online talking about, I guess they were reporting a lot of losses, but who knows? Maybe that's just from all the people buying them and then selling them to buy packouts. I don't know. That's what I would do. I don't like, if you guys don't know, everyone says I'm biased, but this just doesn't make sense to me. This is...
You mean there's better uses for your fingers?
Exactly. This is not what I want to be doing with them. This is nice. This is a lot of space, and that's a good price. That's an even better price. But this latching system is much better. This tool rail is very creative, whereas this was just copying what everyone else has modded for the PACKOUT system. So it's nice that they went and did a tool rail that already you can have a lot of accessories for. And this is sort of like a pegboard style thing. So I'm guaranteeing that there's a lot of people, like, you know, stuff we do and the stuff that StackSmarter does. I know StackSmarter is already working on an adapter plate for this, so that you can put the PACKOUT on top of it. So definitely a lot of other items for it, and it's a good price. So check out the prices. You can see $219, $199. Obviously, you know which one I'm going to pick. And then they even have some of this other stuff over there. But I'm going to run over to the tool aisle and see if they've got any of these rails, and we'll be right back. So I got distracted. But look, this is what I was talking about. Right, one hand. This is what we like. This is what the PACKOUT people, because they, you know, they don't know how to use it. But I didn't know Klein had these out here yet. So look, this is, you know, to compete with your standard profile, your low profile, but this is your parts bins. This is what Milwaukee released at the beginning, not on like day one of release, but they came out with parts organizers. And if you want to succeed in this arena, I think you have to have one of these units out their way. But not only do they have that one, but they also have half units. So that is nice. And look, one hand, right? One hand. That's nice. And these go back and forth between the two. So awesome. So the MODbox guys, they're listening and they're coming out with these accessories right away. So I guess at this point I just need to go find you like an 8x8 air filter or something like that?
Something like that.
All right. Let's go find one.
All right.
That was a success. I mean, for me, not for her, because I didn't buy any DeWalt tools. But I got her a light bulb.
I got 2 light bulbs.
2 light bulbs and a switch. And we went to the Evil L and we saw the yellow.
Everybody knows their plant section is better anyway.
We didn't even look at plants.
I did too, and then you drug my ass in.
Mm-hmm. She's right. So, what do you think, StackTech? I think the name's interesting. I can't wait to get my hands on one. That's what she said. All right, so we're gonna go, but comment below what you think, and if you know that movie name, that would be awesome. Otherwise, I can't say we got to pack out. We got to. DeWalt sucks. No. Spread cheeks.